I'm a technical video editor who consistently uses Camtasia to create amazing videos for my clients. The top 3 things most requested on Fiverr are combining videos, creating a new layout, and screencast services. Let's check out a few examples. I'm often working with clients who have recorded a lecture or presentation. I can use the source video and combine it with the original slide deck, which creates a polished look for e-courses or distributed content. I'm able to spice up those Zoom recordings with a new custom layout. Notice the background in this spot. I'm able to remove it and add the person as a layer over another video or slide. And if you're like me and don't like to be in the video, I have a new interesting option available. Check this out.
Add motion graphics to your video. Subtitle using a standard format like this, or customize it to meet your needs. And even adding an amazing 3D text-to-speech character like me to the video.
As an instructional designer, I've been creating screencasts for a long time and have used all the tricks to ensure the learner knows what's going on. Let's chat about your project, your vision, and what I can assist you with. I'm exclusively available on Fiverr. Let's chat about your project, your vision, and how I can help you.
We're excited to show you some of our video editing capabilities using a standard format like this. We only have 60 seconds to meet your needs. Get started. And even adding an amazing 3D text-to-speech character like me to the video. We hope to hear from you soon and wish you a Fiverr-istic day.
Welcome to the Camtasia tutorials. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics of recording your screen, then editing and sharing your video. Let's get started. Right now, you're in the Camtasia